Well, I'm Kenny Lowry, and today we're going to take a look at the Michigan Sliding Rock Fire Pit. Now, this boulder we use on elsewhere. Hello, I'm Kenny Lowry, and today we're going to take a look at the Michigan Sliding Rock Fire Pit. Now, elsewhere on the website, you'll see this boulder as just a fountain, and you also see it as a fire and water combination. Today, we're just going to show it as a fire pit. It is a popular boulder, both for fire and water, and for fire pit. It is I think, the correct height for a fire pit. You can kind of put your feet up on it. Of course, you don't put your feet in the fire, but kind of up on it to the side. It does have some flat spots here on it, and I'll show you that with the camera when we get up close. You could do some, a plate on it, or a glass of wine, or a bottle, or something like that. You could set up there on it. Maybe not when you have fire in it, but when you're not using the fire, there is enough level area right there where you can take advantage of kind of a little bit of a table. We've got a combination here of lava rock and fireglass in there. We've got a little bit of blue fireglass and amber fireglass. And you can do that if you. Most people just opt for the lava rock, and it's just more natural looking. The fireglass kind of brings in color, things like that. So there's no wrong way of doing it, just your personal preference on it. Now this is a key valve over there on the side. Controls the flow. It is a match light where we actually, you take a lighter and you turn the gas on and then you light it. So that key valve over there allows you to remove that key, and then if you put that key away, nobody can access to be able to light it. So you kind of control who's got the key, will control who's be able to burn this fire pit. So right now, I'll grab the camera and take a close-up look. It is throwing out quite a bit of heat there. We do have it all the way high. I guess I should step over here and show you that you can turn it down. This is turned all the way up right here. This is available in natural gas or propane. So you kind of see I'm going to turn it down here. So depending how high you burn the flame as to how much gas it'll use, of course. And that right there is all the way up on this particular fire pit. So right now, let's take a look close up on it. You can see this boulder elsewhere, like I said, as a fountain. But we'll take a close-up look. You can see we have the line running out the side there, or out underneath, and that is where your connection is. Now we've got it just hooked up to one of those 20-pound propane bottles. You'll see setting right there. Of course, you would disguise that on your end. Don't want to necessarily see that. You can hook it up to your buried propane tank, or a larger propane tank, or natural gas. Just need to know that when ordering. You can see that Michigan rock is a really neat looking boulder. And you think you can kind of see that flat area there that's flat enough to set something on. You could set there too. Of course, you don't want to do it with the fire on it, but you could set there. And we'll go back around here to see the key valve that controls your flow. As always, if you have any questions about our products, you can reach us at 540-948-2239 or email us boulderfountain@gmail.com.